Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Testing the Primer! I am Vasilikis, and in this video we're going to test the Glow Boosting Primer by Essence, and this is one of the latest primers. You can also find the redness correcting and the mattifying. This one contains pink clay and it has a pore minimizing effect. We're going to check that, and I will do also a wear test to see if it will make my foundation long lasting. The Glow Boosting is €3.45 and we get 30 milliliters of product, and this is the price and the quantity that we get for all the primers. They have some instructions on the back of the packaging, and it says that you can also use it by itself. You don't need to apply foundation on top of it. I have never tried primers like that. Maybe the redness correcting will work this way. We will see in the next video. Leave me your comments down below and let me know if you are interested in these primers, and also if you like glow boosting primers or mattifying primers. I have dry and sensitive skin, but I like mattifying primers because I prefer to have a matte base and after that apply a highlighting powder on my cheekbones or on other areas that I want to highlight and bring forward. I have done a review about the mattifying. I will have a card here if you want to see the review. Share this video with a friend that is looking for a new primer. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the review. Let's see how this looks on my skin. This is exactly the same packaging that we get with the mattifying and the redness correcting. You have seen that. I will apply on half of my face and we will see the difference between the two sides and if it does something with the pores here. Oh, the texture is different. This one feels like a moisturizer and the consistency is a little bit more liquidy. It also contains some dark purple particles that maybe it will give that glow boosting effect. The scent is different from the mattifying primer, but again it is like a soap and a very mild scent. Let's apply on the skin. This reminds me a little bit the Fresh and Fit Awake primer by Essence. I will bring it to see the difference. I will also apply some more product on my pores that I have here. For the last year, I think, my pores in this area are more visible. I think that's because of aging. I'm not young. I am 31. Okay, for now I don't see the pore minimizing effect on my skin. I need to apply the foundation and after that I will do again some close-ups and we will see what happens here. The purple particles that you can see in the formula, they are blended into my skin and they are not visible. I will apply on the rest of my face and after that we will apply foundation. Before I apply my foundation, I want to tell you how it feels, and it is very light on the skin. You don't feel it and it is glowy as you can see, and it is a little bit sticky all over my skin and it gives a shiny finish, but I already had that shiny finish from my skincare products and I don't feel that this one is setting on my skin and it doesn't make my skin tight or uncomfortable. It feels very light. For foundation I will use the usual, the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour matte, and it is in the color beige rose, and I will apply it with a Real Technique sponge. For concealer I will use the Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline in the shade 10. And now I am blending with the same sponge by Real Techniques, which is a new sponge and I don't like it a lot. It has very big pores and you need a little bit of time to blend the product into your skin and make it look flawless. And I don't know, it's very weird. This feels different from the other pink sponge that they have. I think they are discontinuing that one because I'm not able to find it in the drugstore anymore and it was my favorite. Have you tried this one? Let me know in the comments and tell me if you like it. Let's see if this is pore minimizing. I think that it makes my... Oops, I have an eyelash here. Go away, eyelash. I can see that my pores are less visible now. It is not like a makeup product can change the pores that you have. They just filling the pores, and when you apply foundation on top of it, they are not as visible as before. So if you use a makeup product like that, after you remove your face makeup, you will see again how the pores are and nothing will change. This is only optically. This is a little bit tight on this area here on my cheekbones and also on my forehead. My foundation and concealer blended very nice on top of the primer, and my face makeup looks very smooth. It is a little bit strange that my skin doesn't look very glowy, guys. I thought it would look more illuminating, it would give like a healthy glow, but I think this is exactly the same finish that I have with the Catrice Fine and Prime Primer that I use all the time, and that one is mattifying. Okay, so it's not very sticky, I will not need a lot of powder, and I will use the fixing powder by Artdeco Cosmetics. Hi guys, it's been 10 hours and let's see what happened with the face products. I have a very glowy finish to my skin now, which I was expecting that this is a glow boosting primer. I am surprised that I don't have any creases on my forehead, guys. I'm very surprised. Also, I like that my skin looks very soft and my foundation didn't cling on greasy areas because today I look a little bit more glowy. The primer didn't irritate my skin. I have some very weird patches from the mascara that I used today. Anyways, on my eyes I have used this palette by Wet n Wild, and I will post the makeup look this week probably, I think in 2 days. I didn't need a lot of powder to set my foundation and I like that. I am sticky on my cheekbone, and yes, I am on the forehead. I am sticky as well. You can see that because I am glowy on this area, and on this that it is my jawline, I'm not glowy. It looks like a healthy glow. It is not something greasy. I have dry and sensitive skin, and the glow boosting looks like this on me. If you have oily skin, maybe you should try the mattifying that I have done also a review, and I am very interested to see this one, what finish it has, because it just says redness correcting, but it doesn't say if it will leave the skin matte or shiny. My foundation lasted all day for more than 10 hours and it looks very nice. I like this primer. I will need to use it a little bit more with other foundations as well. Give this video a huge thumbs up and also let me know in the comments below what is your favorite drugstore primer. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!